This morning, another Cincinnati public schools student was hit by a car while walking to school. The 14-year-old is recovering in the hospital. It happened here, right outside Western Hills High School. If that sounds familiar, 9 on your side's Josh Bazan explains why.
I wish there's a way that people are learning that Cincinnati's got an issue.
Shauna Rodriguez has been trying to make the streets safer for students for almost a year now.
They've got a safety issue. The health and safety and well-being of our kids is an issue.
A driver hit a 14-year-old girl near Western Hills High School in West Price Hill around 8 o'clock this morning. Cincinnati police say the driver ran a red light and hit the student while she was in the crosswalk. According to public city records, 19 people have now been hit by drivers around the school in the past 3 years. 6 people were hit in 2017, 7 people in 2018. Today's accident is the second so far this year.
I just don't understand how it's still happening.
The city's data does not reveal how many of those accidents involved CPS students, but we do know last school year, 13 CPS students were hit by drivers from the start of the year through December.
Heart-wrenching as a mother. I can't get justice for my daughter.
Rodriguez's daughter, Gabriella, was killed last September, a few miles from Western Hills High School where she was a student. She was crossing the street to catch the bus. Now Rodriguez fights for changes to improve safety for all students.
I would work as hard as I could, go where I needed to go, do what I needed to do to try to make it safe for kids to go to school.
The CPS superintendent sent out a message to all families before the school year, reminding students to be safe crossing the road and warning drivers to avoid distractions. At Western Hills High School, Josh Bazan, 9 on your side.
And we should point out that the crash comes just a few days after Superintendent Laura Mitchell and Police Chief Elliot Isaac held a news conference saying the district is focusing on safety this year. One part of the new initiative is creating more safety patrol clubs at the elementary schools. Another part of the plan, hiring more crossing guards. The district already has more than 100. The police department employs them. Their job isn't just getting students across the street safely. Many develop bonds with the children as they see them every morning. Crossing guard Richard Ferguson says it's about much more than money.
Some of them tell me they come all the way out their way just to come by me to get that wave in the morning time and that smile.
And here's another concerning statistic on road safety. AAA says more people are running red lights with deadly results. According to the report, Ohio is ranked 11th when it comes to the number of deaths when a driver runs a red light. Between 2012 and 2017, there was a 30% jump in the number of people killed in red light crashes. And in 2017, the number hit a 10-year high of 939 people nationally. Experts say the issue is usually distracted drivers.
If you're that first car at a stoplight and your light goes green, that gives you the right of way, but it doesn't mean you should quote unquote jump the light. Take a second and sit there, because what this study's showing us, there's lots of people blowing through. So if you hesitate a little bit at a green light, it just may be the difference between being safely through the light or not.
About 30% of drivers in the report admit to knowingly running red lights, even though 85% see it as being very dangerous.